There is a very well known theory propounded by John Locke, the philosopher. He came up with a theory of social contract on which the government structures of every nation is based upon. What does the theory says? The theory says that we as individuals and humans, we give up certain rights and freedoms of ours to the government, so the government in return can protect us. It is like I will give up certain rights of mine to intake certain duties of being a citizen of this country. You as a government take up certain duties and protect me. So this is a kind of contract on which every government structure on earth runs on. So what exactly happens when the government fails to protect us, and whom we are supposed to question? Even when there is a terrorist attack, the responsibility lies on the shoulders of the government. The primary responsibility has to be held on by the national security agencies of India. The secondary responsibility comes on the Home Minister of India. Our Constitution of India talks about Article 21, Article 14, Article 39, Article 38, which talks about the social order. These all articles tells us about how government becomes our protector and how it is the responsibility of the government to ensure that we live safely in this country. So what happens when they fail us? Do we actually be questioning on the religion that Hindus were killed or Muslims were killed? Isn't it enough that I am the citizen of India and I am being threatened, I am being killed, and my government needs to hold that responsibility? People who are propagating, I see so many accounts on social media, they call themselves yogis and sages, and they are trying to instigate people saying that this should be the rise of dharma. The dharma should rise fearlessly. What is dharma? Dharma is not any religion. Dharma is your duty, your responsibility. And here, when you are into social contract with your government, your primary responsibility is to ask and question the government that how did the intelligence agencies fail? Why did not they have any knowledge about an attack that is so fierce in nature, that is so brutal in nature is being planned? Why did the Home Minister not being asked question? Why aren't we asking any question to our Home Minister? Why aren't we asking any question to our agencies? But we are only debating on कि Hindus will remember it because they asked you that you are Hindu and killed. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर वो मुस्लिम्स होते और उन्हें कोई मार देता तो शायद इतना हल्ला भी नहीं होता इस इंसिडेंट का. Have we deteriorated to that level that we really want to know the religion of the people rather than knowing they are just people or humans? Is religion above humanity? Are we still humans? If you really call yourself responsible citizens and want to run a hashtag on social media and want to, talk about justice, talk about justice. Don't talk about justice based on the religion, because justice is justice. It is not bothered or it does not care about your religion, caste, creed, color, gender.